Alright, so what have I learned about fixing power cords? So, let's first of all, we're on continuity, which is this symbol there. So every time these two leads touch, they make a noise. So I got a break here on this white cord, and we're looking at the female side. And if you ever compare the female side to the male side, they're opposite of each other. So what I mean by that is the middle one and the middle one is the ground, and that's okay. That's always in the middle. But if you're talking about the left and the right on the male side is the opposite sides on the female side. So if you're talking, if you're looking from this point of view, and if it's the male is on the left, then it goes to the right on the female, and if it's on the right on the male, then it goes to the left of the female. So that I've concluded. What else can I say? So this white wire here, that's a broken one. When you look on the female side, it's on the right side. So I will prove that by making some noise. So I got one side and in continuity mode, and when I touch this side, it makes a beep, meaning that the right side of the female side is carrying the looks like white, so I would say that's called neutral. So that's actually like coming from PG&E kind of neutral, and I would assume that this one here, this blue one, is earth ground, and the black one, which is the power one, on the female side is the left. So let's do that. So we're in the left, and it is. Alright, so what can we include on the male side? So if we know the black one is on the left of the female side, then it's going to be in the right of the male side. So that's it. When you plug it in against the wall like that, or however you do it, the left side here, if it's the left, then it's gonna be the right. So this one right here has that juice coming in right there. All right, thanks for watching.